Yo, what is up, people? Is your Discord causing your FPS drop on your game? Basically, what FPS means is frames per second, and the more frames per second you get, in another word, the more FPS you get, the smoother the game is. So, if your Discord is causing FPS drop and causing your game to lag, then you guys are at the right video. Because in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can decrease FPS drop on your game due to Discord. Alright, so there are some settings in Discord which you have to do that can help you gain your FPS. By gain your FPS, I mean once your Discord is off, the FPS you get, that's the FPS we are targeting for, like when your Discord is on. Alright, so basically what you want to do is after opening your Discord, you want to click on user setting over here. Once you click on user setting, you want to scroll down and click on where it says advanced on the settings side. Click on advanced. Once you're in advanced, if your hardware acceleration is turned on, what you want to do is turn it off. Click on OK. After you do that, your Discord is going to restart. So wait for it to restart, and after the Discord restarts, your Discord will use less CPU power, and the less CPU power your Discord uses, the more CPU power your game can use, which causes FPS increase. So now it's done. So now basically what you can do is you can run Discord on your background, or minimize Discord and play games, or talk with your friends on Discord and play games, and it won't cause a massive FPS drop. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can stop FPS drop due to Discord. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day, and comment down below if this fixed your problem, because it would be happy for me to hear like I stopped your FPS drop. So comment down below.